Well, hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Let's talk about one word, actually, and it describes corn and volatility, volatile. Yesterday, some declines today, some gains. I think this is all pre-report, taking some profits, getting ready for what might happen, some defensive plays, but this happens a lot before these reports. And I would say also with the weather, you've got South America. This is why it's kind of schizophrenic. South America be supportive, and then some stories doing the rounds in the U.S. that could also be a little bit negative for corn. So we'll see, but that's causing a lot of volatility. Then throw in the fact that we've got this the WASDE report, and here we are, right? Also hearing a little bit of talk about some good yields. The U.S. crop they're looking at, maybe we're off to trendline yields or better with a good start. So the longer term, the dry conditions in the western and northern Corn Belt are going to be a concern. However, based on the current planting pace and the wet forecasts, things don't look too bad. So the potential is in place for some decent yields. That's been doing a little bit of rounds. So keep that in mind once you get out, once we get these WASDE numbers out. So that's going to be important. But there is a little bit of chatter about some decent yields. And then lastly, we've got some psychological levels as we sit here. I mentioned to you sometimes you'd like to see these markets like to see themselves trade to these big levels. D's corn, we had a 38-cent pullback after a $1.88 rally. Now we're back up a little bit. So overnight we fell to $5.99, that $6 level, and we bounced. That's right near that $6. So that was a round number they went for. We couldn't push through, so we traded higher from there. We'll see what tomorrow gets us, because a lot of what this is right now is not going to mean a lot after we get the numbers from the WASDE tomorrow, but that's going to be very important. So good trading and good luck. We'll see what the government gives us tomorrow at 11.